Bango! Sopas.
Hi guys! What time is it?
It's cooking time.
And what are we making?
Sopas.
Also known as macaroni soup. So let's go to the market.
Ramen bukas.
Po ito? 25 Dalawa po.
Ha?
Po? Paglagyan.
Wala. Ito ba?
Magkano po yan?
Me, 1,000 ha?
We're back from the market.
Whew, that was a tough trip to the market. Anyway, so you'll be chopping the hot dogs, I'll chop up the mixed vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay, stripes.
Yeah.
I can do that.
We call that julienne cut.
Julienne cut.
Yeah.
Why? Because, I don't know,
That's julienne cut.
and everything cuts like this. So just some strips like this, guys. And we put it in here for later usage.
The hot dog, you have to cut it slant because the design. Hot dogs. Yeah, so you can use bigger hot dogs than this, but I prefer the smaller one because they are similar to what we are going to use for the macaroni in this, so I prefer this one.
Also larger pieces?
Huh?
Larger pieces?
Hey, see? 3, make it 3.
At least you know.
No, let's make it
At least anything. But the whole thing.
Wala ka na malaking ulas.
Adding oil to the pan. Adding onions to the pan. So once the onions are a little bit browner, then we add the garlic. At last but not least, we add the meat, the chicken.
Okay, we add the chicken na. We need to saute it because it needs to be brown.
And it will infuse more flavors, right?
Yeah. I can reach it. I need your help.
Fiance to the rescue. So you need this
Yes.
and the pepper, right?
No.
All right.
Pepper. I need the pepper.
Adding pepper. So right now we're taking out the excess oil that is too much because right now it won't saute in that oil. So we're just removing some of the oil. So once everything is sauteed, we're gonna add the macaroni.
I don't know how you do it, guys, but this is how we do it here in this house. Some people, they boil the water first and they put the noodles second, but I like to saute the noodles with the meat so the flavors will somehow kumapit.
What's pumapit?
Absorb.
Ooh, nice. I like that word. Pumapit.
The H2O.
The H2 what?
The H2O. 10 minutes max.
So once the water starts boiling, just cook it for 9 to 10 minutes and then the macaroni will be soft.
So init in the Philippines.
What does init mean?
Hot. Like me. Joke lang.
You are hot.
Ooh.
That smells good.
And it's softer. Let's add the
Veggies.
veggies. Carrots.
Carrots.
With the red pepper.
Red bell peppers.
Sayote.
Sayote.
The beans. That's it. Later na yung cabbage.
Basically the hard vegetables, we put them in first. Why? Because the cabbage would get soggy. So after 1 or 2 minutes of boiling, we can add the softer vegetables.
Cabbage.
And here we have the secret ingredient, magic Sarap, it's called here. Adding the hot dogs now.
This is optional.
Optional, but a must. We use cheese hot dogs, but you can use any flavor of hot dogs though,
Yeah.
right?
You can use the chicken one because some people wants chicken.
But we like cheese. We love cheese. Cheese is life.
This is another secret ingredient, but it's not secret anymore.
It's chicken broth. For the final ingredient, we add the evaporated milk.
Again, this is what do you call this?
Optional?
Yeah, optional because some people might be, allergic to milk or something.
Yeah,
They
that's
don't
true.
like it.
So when you're lactose intolerant, don't recommend adding it. If you're not, you can add it. I'm lactose intolerant, but I like it, so I'm just gonna ignore the rules.
Can you see the creaminess of it?
Mm, looks good.
Ooh.
Let me zoom into that food. Look at that. So colorful.
So now it's time for
Taste test! Let me add a little bit of macaroni and a piece of sausage. Gotta blow on it because it's boiling hot. Amazing. I can taste the cheesiness of the the sausage. I can taste the saltiness of the chicken broth. It's all over. Like the flavor, it's a flavor bomb in my mouth. I love it. It's perfect. 10 out of 10.
Because you said it's a bomb. Bango! Sopas.
Yummy. I'm going to rate it 10 over 10.
Ooh, let's go. Zero out of 10. What do you think?
0.
0. It's your cooking though.
10.
Dapat lang. Must be. So good, right? So how long does it usually take to make?
20 to 20.
20 minutes-ish? Yeah. For us, it took a little bit longer because we're filming it, and then everything takes twice as long. But it tastes really good for 20 minutes of cooking. 20 minutes to a half an hour. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend you guys making it. It's not too hard to make. It's just chopping up some chicken, some vegetables, and some meat. That's it. So 10 out of 10. So we'll end the video here, and hopefully you guys can rewatch this video, but then this time make it yourself and let us know how you like it. I'll see you guys in the next video.